Hi everybody, my name's Hunter with Tom Kadlec Chevrolet in North Branch. I just figured I'd show you some of our new in-stock inventory options. So right here we got some Traverses, ZR2 Colorado, some Tracks, Equinoxes, Trailblazers, 3 more Colorados, a couple more Equinoxes. Got 1 3/4 ton and then 4 1 tons. Some half tons, and then a new express van. All of our new is employee price through the end of this month, meaning you pay what we pay, and then if you purchase an SUV to Colorado, we'll throw in a $300 gas card, and then any half ton or bigger, we'll throw in a $500 gas card. We have some good used options as well, some used trucks. These are the half tons. Pre-owned Traverse E71, 3/4 ton Duramax, 3/4 ton Gasser, 3/4 ton Duramax as well, some Tahoes, some used Equinoxes. We got lots of great choices if you're in the market for a vehicle. Go over to this side and show some of our other used options. Voyager vans, front wheel drive, some used Malibus in the back as well. Overall, we have a lot of great options to select from. If you have any questions or want to stop in, just give me a call at 651-225-3816. Thank you.